Hey, Sophia. How are you doing today?
Hi, John. I'm doing great, thanks. How about you?
I'm good. You know what? I woke up this morning and I looked out my window and I saw something beautiful.
Oh, really? What did you see?
I saw flowers, pink flowers and yellow flowers everywhere, and the sun was shining so bright.
That sounds lovely. That means spring is here.
Yes, spring is my favorite time of year. Everything looks so fresh and new.
Mine too. I love spring. The weather gets warmer, the days get longer, and everything feels, I don't know, happy?
Exactly. Happy is the perfect word. So today, I thought we could talk about spring. Spring vocabulary, spring activities, things like that.
That's a great idea. Our viewers can learn so many useful English words about spring.
Right. And spring is such a common topic. People love talking about the seasons, about weather, about nature.
Absolutely. So, should we start with some basic spring words?
Let's do it.
Okay, so first things first, the word spring itself. John, can you say it slowly for our learners?
Sure. Spring. Sp-I-N. Spring.
Good. Now, spring is one of the four seasons. We have winter, spring, summer, and fall.
Or autumn. Some people say fall, some people say autumn. They're the same thing.
That's right. But today we're focusing on spring. Spring usually comes after winter, around March, April, and May.
Yes, depending on where you live. In some countries, spring starts in March. In other places, it might start a bit earlier or later.
Good point. So, John, what's the weather like in spring?
Oh, the weather in spring is wonderful. It's not too hot, not too cold. What's the word? Mild?
Yes, mild. That's a great word. Mild means not extreme, not too much.
The temperature is comfortable, maybe 15 degrees, 20 degrees Celsius.
And it rains sometimes in spring, right?
Oh yes, April showers bring May flowers. That's what people say.
I love that expression. April showers bring May flowers. It means the rain in April helps the flowers grow in May.
Exactly. Rain is important for nature. It helps plants grow.
Speaking of plants, let's talk about flowers. What flowers do you see in spring, John?
Well, I see tulips. Tulips are very popular in spring. They come in so many colors: red, yellow, pink, purple.
I love tulips. They're so pretty. What else?
Daffodils, those bright yellow flowers. They look like little trumpets.
Yes, and cherry blossoms. Oh my goodness, cherry blossoms are so beautiful.
They are. In Japan, people have special parties to look at cherry blossoms. They call it hanami.
Really? That's interesting. I didn't know that.
Yeah, they sit under the cherry blossom trees and have picnics. It's a tradition.
That sounds amazing. I would love to do that someday.
You know what, Sophia? I have a funny spring story.
Oh, tell me. I love stories.
Okay, so last spring, I decided to plant a garden. I wanted to grow tomatoes and cucumbers.
That's nice. Gardening is a great hobby.
Well, I thought so too. So I bought seeds, I bought soil, I bought all the equipment.
Uh-huh.
I planted everything, I watered the plants every day. I was so excited.
And then?
Nothing. For 2 weeks, nothing. No plants, no green leaves, nothing.
Oh no, what went wrong?
I forgot one important thing. I planted the seeds too deep in the soil.
Oh, John, that's a beginner's mistake.
I know. I felt so silly. My neighbor saw me looking sad in my garden, and she came over. She said, "John, how deep did you plant those seeds?"
And what did you tell her?
I showed her. I said, "About this deep," and I showed her with my fingers. It was about 5 inches deep.
5 inches? That's way too deep.
She started laughing. She said, "John, those poor seeds can't reach the sunlight. They need to be just under the surface."
So what did you do?
I started over. I planted everything, but this time just barely under the soil.
And did it work?
Yes. 3 days later, I saw little green shoots coming up. I was so happy. It felt like a miracle.
That's such a sweet story. See, we learn from our mistakes, right?
Absolutely. Now I know how to garden properly. And you know what? Those tomatoes were delicious.
I bet they were. Nothing tastes better than vegetables you grow yourself.
So, Sophia, what do you like to do in spring?
Oh, so many things. First, I love spring cleaning.
Spring cleaning? You like cleaning?
Well, not cleaning exactly, but I like the idea of it. In spring, everything feels new and fresh, so people clean their houses, they organize things, they throw away old stuff.
Ah, I see. Like a fresh start.
Exactly, a fresh start. I open all my windows, I let the fresh air come in, I clean the curtains, I organize my closet.
That does sound nice. What else?
I love going for walks in the park. In spring, the parks are so beautiful. The grass is green, the flowers are blooming, the birds are singing.
Yes, the birds. I forgot to mention birds. So many birds come back in spring.
That's right. Birds migrate, right? They go to warm places in winter and they come back in spring.
Yeah, like swallows and robins. I love hearing birds sing in the morning.
Me too. It's such a peaceful sound. What about you, John? Besides gardening, what do you do in spring?
I love riding my bicycle. In winter, it's too cold for biking, but in spring, the weather is perfect.
Where do you go on your bike?
Everywhere. I ride to the market, I ride to the river, I ride just for fun. Sometimes I pack a lunch and have a picnic.
A picnic. That's another great spring activity.
Right. You take a blanket, some sandwiches, some fruit, maybe some juice, and you sit outside in a nice place.
Under a tree, looking at the clouds.
Perfect. And you know what else is fun in spring? Flying kites.
Oh, yes, kites. I haven't flown a kite in years.
Really? You should try it again. It's so much fun. Spring usually has good wind for kites.
That's true. The wind in spring is gentle but steady.
Okay, so let's teach some more spring words to our viewers. We talked about flowers, birds, and weather. What else?
How about animals? Baby animals are born in spring.
Oh, that's a good one. Yes, spring is when many animals have babies.
Like lambs. Baby sheep are called lambs. They're so cute and fluffy.
And ducklings, baby ducks. You can see them swimming in ponds with their mothers.
And bunnies, baby rabbits. Actually, there's a connection between spring and rabbits, right?
Yes, Easter. Easter is a spring holiday, and the Easter bunny is a famous symbol.
Right. Easter usually happens in March or April. People paint eggs, they have Easter egg hunts, they eat chocolate bunnies.
I love Easter egg hunts. When I was a kid, my parents would hide eggs in the garden, and my sister and I would try to find them.
That sounds fun. Did you always find them all?
No. Sometimes we'd find an egg weeks later, hidden under a bush or behind a rock.
That's hilarious. Okay, let's talk about more spring words. What about bloom?
Bloom. That's a beautiful word. Bloom means when a flower opens up and shows its petals.
We can say the roses are blooming or the garden is in full bloom.
Right. And blossom is similar. The apple trees are blossoming.
Good. What about pollen?
Ah, pollen. That's the yellow dust that flowers make. Bees carry pollen from flower to flower.
Yes, and unfortunately, some people are allergic to pollen. They sneeze a lot in spring.
That's true. Allergies are common in spring. Some people get itchy eyes, runny noses.
Poor them, but for most people, spring is wonderful.
You know, Sophia, spring is different in different countries.
That's a great point. Can you give some examples?
Sure, in Japan, like I mentioned earlier, spring is cherry blossom time. It's a really big deal.
And in the Netherlands, spring means tulips everywhere. They have huge tulip fields.
Right, and in India, there's a spring festival called Holi.
Holi, the festival of colors. People throw colored powder at each other, right?
Exactly. It looks so fun. Everyone ends up covered in pink, blue, yellow, green powder.
I would love to experience that. What about in Mexico?
I'm not sure about Mexico specifically, but I know in many Latin American countries, spring is different because the seasons are opposite.
Oh, right. In the Southern Hemisphere, when it's spring in North America, it's actually fall in South America and Australia.
Yes, that's confusing sometimes. September is spring in Argentina, but fall in Canada.
Nature is amazing, isn't it? So complex and diverse.
Let's teach our viewers some spring expressions. These are phrases that English speakers use.
Good idea. We already mentioned April showers bring May flowers.
Right. Another one is spring in your step. If someone has a spring in their step, it means they're walking happily and energetically.
Oh, I like that. After getting good news, she had a spring in her step.
Perfect example. What about spring cleaning? We mentioned that earlier.
Yes, spring cleaning. It means to clean your house thoroughly. People say, I'm doing my spring cleaning this weekend.
And there's spring fever. Have you heard of that?
Spring fever? What does that mean?
It means feeling restless and excited because spring has arrived. You want to go outside, you can't focus on work, you just want to enjoy the nice weather.
Oh, I definitely get spring fever. When the weather gets nice, I can't concentrate on anything. I just want to be outdoors.
Me too. It's a real thing. There's also spring chicken.
Spring chicken? That sounds funny.
It is. If you say someone is no spring chicken, it means they're not young anymore.
Oh, that's a bit rude, isn't it?
Well, it can be. You have to be careful how you use it. It's usually said in a joking way.
I see. So I could say, I'm no spring chicken, but I can still run 5 miles.
Exactly. You're acknowledging you're not super young, but you're still fit and capable.
John, can we talk about spring food?
Oh, good topic. Yes, certain foods are popular in spring.
Like asparagus. Asparagus is in season in spring.
Right. Fresh asparagus tastes so much better than the frozen kind.
And strawberries, spring strawberries are delicious.
Oh, yes. And peas. Fresh peas from the garden, so sweet and crunchy.
I also think of salads in spring, light, fresh salads with lots of vegetables.
Absolutely. After eating heavy food all winter, people want lighter meals.
It's funny how our bodies naturally want different foods in different seasons.
That's true. In winter, we want soup and stew. In spring, we want fresh vegetables and fruits.
Nature knows what we need.
You know, Sophia, spring is more than just a season. It's also a symbol.
What do you mean?
Well, spring represents new beginnings, fresh starts, hope.
That's beautiful. You're right. When people want to start something new, they say, it's like spring for me.
Exactly. If someone changes careers or moves to a new city or starts a new relationship, they might say, I feel like it's spring in my life.
I love that metaphor. Spring means growth and possibility.
And after a difficult time, like after winter, which can be cold and dark, spring reminds us that better times are coming.
That's such a positive message. Everyone needs hope.
Absolutely. Spring teaches us that change is natural and good. Nothing stays the same forever.
Wow, we got philosophical there for a moment.
We did, but it's true. Nature has so much to teach us.
Okay, let's give our viewers some practical spring tips, things they can actually do.
Great idea. Tip number 1, go outside. Spend time in nature. Even just 10 minutes in a park can make you feel better.
Tip number 2, plant something. It doesn't have to be a big garden, even one small pot with herbs is nice.
Tip number 3, open your windows. Let fresh air into your home.
Tip number 4, try a new outdoor activity, maybe hiking or cycling or just walking a new route.
Tip number 5, take photos of spring. Flowers, trees, the sky. Photography is a great way to appreciate nature.
These are all great tips, and they're easy to do.
Right. Spring is the perfect time to try new things and break out of winter routines.
Well, John, I think we've covered a lot about spring today.
We really have. We talked about spring vocabulary, spring activities, spring around the world.
Spring food, spring expressions, and even the deeper meaning of spring.
I hope our viewers learned a lot of useful English today.
Me too, and I hope they feel inspired to enjoy spring wherever they are.
You know what I'm going to do after we finish? I'm going for a walk in the park.
That sounds perfect. I might plant some flowers this afternoon.
Nice. Let me know how it goes.
I will. And hey, to all our viewers, thank you so much for watching and learning with us today.
Yes, thank you. Remember, learning English is like spring. It's a process of growth. Some days are sunny, some days are rainy, but you're always moving forward.
What a beautiful way to put it, John.
Before we go, we have a small task for you, our wonderful learners.
Yes, we want to practice your English, so here's what we'd like you to do.
In the comments below, tell us what is your favorite thing about spring.
It can be anything, a flower you love, an activity you enjoy, a memory from spring.
Write your answer in English. Don't worry about making mistakes. The important thing is to practice.
We'll read all the comments and we'll reply to as many as we can.
And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more English learning videos like this one.
We make new videos every week covering different topics, all designed to help you improve your English naturally.
So hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video.
All right, Sophia, I think that's everything.
I think so too. Thank you everyone, and we'll see you in the next video.
Take care, enjoy the spring weather, and keep practicing your English.
Bye everyone.
Bye.